In this channel, I'm going to teach you something really interesting, and that is how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 10. So for this, we need to open our browser. Here, I'm opening Microsoft Edge, and for your information, Microsoft Edge has having a new version. This is Chromium type of version. So I'll be just searching in Google Visual Studio Code, or we can say VS Code. So VS Code is an editor from Microsoft. It's free of cost and it really helps for doing coding work. Now first of all, after the searching, we need to just check whether this link is having this link only, code.visualstudio.com. After that, I'll be clicking on that link. Once I click on this link, it will take me to the download page, official download page. So this is how the page looks like. Well, let me tell you what exactly Microsoft Visual Studio Code and why exactly it's helpful. So it's an IDE, it's integrated development environment platform where you can code, and also it has some features that makes why you should use it. It helps in making meet IntelliSense. It means a suggestion. It helps you to bug. It helps you to commit without doing anything. If you don't know about commit, I'll be teaching you guys about git commit. And these are the extensions it supports. Like Python, it supports Git, it supports Visual Studio, it supports Angular, it supports Chrome extensions, and then it supports Terminal and also React and many much more. So it has a huge community for this, and you can use it to deploy with Microsoft Azure because the product Visual Studio Code is from Microsoft. So you can get help from that as well. Now there are three versions you can download: from Windows, for Linux, and for Mac. I'll be using Windows because I have to install for Windows 10. So what I do, I'll be going to this link and click on this tab. So once I click on this tab, it will give a prompt that thanks for downloading Visual Studio or VS Code for Windows. And you can see that here the software has been downloaded. Now it is having a 54 MB, and I have some internet speed of about 1 Mbps, so I think it won't be taking so much time to download this speed. So you can see 19 MB is already downloaded. Now it's 21, 22, 23. So it will just take 5 or 6 seconds. After that, it will download it. I'll let you know how to install it as well in the same video. So let the code get downloaded. So the Visual Studio Code also have this much extensions. It's like they are this language support, live server. Yeah, I just use this live server. It helps me many ways. I mean, there were some softwares which require, or there are some software was asking me for live server, so I use that. And also with this, you can use some other platform as well. This is the IntelliSense. Suppose if you are writing some function, it will give you a suggestion and will request if there are some function or something like that. So we can do it in that way. So I'll be doing one thing. I'll be opening up the downloaded file and install it. So let's minimize the browser now, and I've already clicked on that file. So this is how the setup will open up. Then I'll just agree the terms and conditions without reading the terms and conditions, as if you all know that no one reads it, but it's a good habit to read. Kidding. Okay, now I'll click on next. This is the path. So if you want to change the path, you can click on the browse button, and then it will help you change the path. But I don't want to change the path. I want this path as well. So okay, this software and all, this folder will get created automatically. So I want that only. I want a desktop icon. I also want that it should give an action to Windows Explorer. I also want that it gives a open with code. I mean this one. Whenever you click right click, and there are some suggestions. So I want that in suggestion also open with code comes through Visual Studio Code, and also to register code as an editor for supported file types. I mean, it will automatically convert those files which will be editable from this editor. Then I'll be clicking on next, and after that I'll click on install. So now installation begins. it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes based upon your system. So you can see there is a progress where that bar is helping us to let us know what exactly is happening. And you can see the 80% of the task is completed, only 20% is left. And now the installation is about to complete because it's 98 or something, 99%. So here we can see that there is one desktop icon is created, and we can see that whenever we will be clicking on any file, it will automatically give a suggestion. So we can see, suppose if I click to any file which I can show you. For example, if I click on this file, see this suggestion is giving open with code type of option. Now I click on finish, and once I click finish, there was a checklist you must have seen to launch the Visual Studio Code. So what it will do, it will now launch the Visual Studio. So let's wait, because it will, for the first time it will take time, but once it will get like everything will be set up, the backend will automatically, everything will take time. So we can see that there is some black colored background popped up. That means it is doing some backend installation which was pending, and also it is setting up the interface. So I can maximize it and see the whole interface looks like it. So this is how the interface looks like, and for the next video I'm going to teach you guys how exactly you can code any programming language using this editor. So for that you need to comment what programming language you want to learn, and also you need to comment that what are the next video you want from my channel. And till the time, take care, be safe at home, and have a great day.